everyone and welcome to Coffee with the CEO. Today we have Haseeb Rehman with us, who is the Chief Executive Officer of High-Tech Oil and Ghee Private Limited. One of the products that they manufacture is Sharjah cooking oil. Hello Haseeb.
Hi, how are you?
Welcome. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
So please tell us more about high-tech oil and ghee mills that you guys are doing, and what was the drive behind building this whole company?
So the company is basically a family-owned business, but it was built quite recently. We opened up this company back in 2014, and that's almost the same time where I was almost about to complete my education as well. So I joined this company in later 2015, and that's when the drive to take this business forward in terms of launching brands in Pakistan, and developing on them and giving consumers the better quality product, the high quality, the better quality and easy accessibility, and also not a very high price.
Yeah.
So like our product Sharjah is not a very highly ended priced. It's actually affordable by most consumers and quite easy on the pocket, and it's also a good quality product.
Okay, so I have one question for you.
Yeah.
So the industry of oil and ghee, and it's ruled by basically two big names. Like there's Dalda, then we have Mizan, and a lot of more names, but I'm referring to these two names. So was it difficult to penetrate in the market and coming with a product that is generic in nature and it's targeted at mass the community?
But definitely, when the idea of basically, because we were a B2B business before we started, launching our own brand, and that's what was started by me. And before we even started working on that, the idea was that it is very difficult because it's very, very difficult for a woman, for us to convince a woman to change the oil they cook their food in, and that is the kind of product that women tend to not change in kitchen.
Because of the taste and
the smell or the odor and things like this, and you just get very comfortable because आपको पता होता है कि आपने ये तेल डाला तो आपका खाना अच्छा बना.
मैंने आज खराब खाना इसलिए बन गया क्योंकि वो मैंने तेल दूसरा. So one last question. I want you to tell us that what are the strategies that you applied in penetrating in the market, because a lot of startups, be it innovative, non-innovative, we actually suffer because we don't know how and where and what is the right track to follow.
I don't think there is a very right or wrong answer that I have with me here, because what worked for me might
strategies
not.
Yeah,
because I'm just saying. So what worked for me or my business might not work for somebody else, and what also worked, and I feel like what also paved way in penetrating and helping us penetrate in the market was the factor that overall the price played a very, very important role, because
Pakistani people are still very price sensitive. And then over the last 2 years, especially because of the change and fluctuation in prices, and oil being the major carrying the major weight in your monthly grocery, अगर आपको 200 रुपए भी कार्टन पे सस्ता मिलता है, तो that means you are saving 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees on your monthly consumption, which for a normal person in Pakistan plays a very, very important role. So I think price, and then you need to obviously nothing is achieved without a compromise of quality. So you need to, आपने प्राइस सस्ती भी दे दी, आपका कंज्यूमर एक दफा आ जाएगा आपसे ले लेगा, लेकिन अगर आपने वो क्वालिटी वो जो आप प्रॉमिस कर रहे हो वो नहीं दी, so वो रिकरिंग नहीं होगी. So that also plays a very important role. So I feel like those are the two strategies that we focused on, and rest it's God's grace. Okay, so thank you Haseeb for coming and joining us, and
so much
for this lovely talk.